Sunday, October 21 is a red letter day for Filipinos, particularly Cebuanos. That's when a second Filipino layman is canonized, Alex Pal reports.
It is just a matter of days before the Philippines will have its second Roman Catholic saint. The Blessed Pedro Calungsod will be canonized by the Pope on October 21. Some 300 Cebuano faithful are flying to Rome to attend the ceremony, which will be seen on Philippine television at 4 in the afternoon. The Blessed Pedro Calungsod was a Cebuano missionary catechist who was martyred in Guam in 1672.
We are rejoicing to have a second Filipino saint, and he's a lay also, and a Visayan, and most of all is a young person. This time we have right now in our Philippine society, we need a role model for our young people. And Pedro Calungsod is very timing for young people na pwede pala tayo magsakripisyo para sa Panginoon. Pwede pala natin ialay ating buhay para sa Panginoon. Pwede pala hindi natin iwanan ang Panginoon. Panginoon, hindi tayo iniiwanan. Sana hindi rin natin iiwan ng Panginoon. Handa natin ialay ang buhay natin sa Panginoon. So in this canonization of Pedro Calungsod, we pray that Pedro Calungsod will always intercede for young people na sa kailang buhay, isabuhay nila ang mga pangaral, mga aral na galing sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo.
This early, Pedro Calungsod has attracted a stream of devotees, not just in the Visayas. In Calungsod, his followers find a healing saint and attest to his miraculous powers.
Maraming mga milagrong kuan kanang naibigay si Pedro Calungsod. In fact, mayroon mga testimony na nakafile sa amin. Pero hindi ko masabi lahat, pero yung iba, yung hindi nakakuan, hindi nakalakad, mayroong nakalakad, yung may mga sakit. Pag kuan dinadala dito na kuan na nahil sila.
For PTV News, this is Alex Pal.